How to set up and use Tor Browser on Android device. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, simply tap on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar and type Tor. Now click on search. Now tap on install. Now wait for some time until the app is being installed. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Now once the app is installed, simply tap on open. Now once you open up the browser, simply tap on connect and wait for some time until the connection is being established. Now once you are connected, you can use Tor browser without any issues. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.